Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something different for you. We're going to be talking a little bit about creative coding. That is, coding for artistic purposes, not necessarily for an application that does business work or data work or anything like that. So I'd like to introduce you to the language of processing. This was made about 20 years ago. It started, from what I know, out of the MIT Media Lab. And it's really a language focused on giving you easy access, really quick sketches of things that can be visually interesting. So I think it's something that's a good tool to play with if you're interested in the artistic side of what code can do. At the top, though, you'll see there are some links for the foundation. There's the regular processing. There's also processing for Python, Android, and with JavaScript. So we're going to talk a little bit about the P5.js side of things. You can see it's a JavaScript library for creative coding. I'd like to point you to the examples so you can get an idea of what this might look like. But here's one that looks pretty interesting. This is related to mouse interaction and waves. So you can see it's already running, but if you run your mouse over the visualization, you can see that it interacts with the position of the cursor. So one thing that's really great is you can go right into the P5.js editor and work online. So if you go there, this is the first thing that you'll see. They give you a setup function that includes create canvas, and then they have a function for draw, which is where you put all of your drawing stuff that you want to show up. So currently we have a 400 by 400 pixel canvas. We can change that here in the editor. And in the draw, we have a background that is currently set to 220. And this refers to the color. So what we would probably want to do here is make this not just one single color, which would give us something on the grayscale, but maybe make it more interesting and give it an RGB value. So we'll change this into a 3-value color description. And I'm just choosing some colors here a little bit randomly, but it should give us something that's a little more red with some high value in the green channel and a little bit in the blue channel. And we can see what that looks like here. So that gives us this kind of yellowy orange type color. Now, if we wanted to put something in this, we could do, for example, a circle. And the circle would need an XY position and some kind of value to describe how big the circle is. So what we can do here is use the width and height of the window and divide those values by 2 to put this circle right in the center. So we can do that. And let's just make sure that is in there. And then let's just give it a radius of 15 here. And you can see that we have a little circle here in the middle. Because our window is a little bit wider, you have to scroll over, but it is in the middle there. So this is just enough to get started. I just wanted to show you that processing exists. It's a cool language to play with if you're interested in some small artistic sketches. You can do all kinds of interactivity. So I encourage you to look at the examples and check out what really is within the realm of possibility here. Should be fun. So go out there and try and make something.